what are radiopharmaceuticals. So what is the reason behind the radioactivity of those substances, the basic terms and the basic uh, terminologies which come under radiopharmaceutics, their advantages. Along with this, they are used in the pharmacy, in the pharmacy and medicines. So first is the radioactive pharmaceuticals. So first is the radiopharmaceutical are those compounds or the substances that emit radiation and they are used in the medicines. Now there are those substances that are used in the medicines but cannot emit or do not emit any type of the radiation. Those are known as pharmaceutical products or compounds. So they do not emit any type of radiation, but radiopharmaceuticals are those substances which emit the radiations in the form of alpha, beta or gamma rays. Along with this, they will used in the form they are used in medicines. So that is why they are known as radioactive pharmaceuticals. So what are their uses? So the radioactive pharmaceuticals are mainly used in the treatment of the cancer as a radiotherapy. Also it is used as a tracer for diagnostic purposes, for diagnosis of various types of diseases such as cancer or bone marrow detection. So we are going to use radiopharmaceuticals. So these are some of the, so this is the main radiopharmaceutical. What is radiopharmaceuticals? Now we are going to take a brief revision about the structure of atom. So first is, what is atom? So atom is the smallest unit of any substance. So it is subatomic particle, contain many subatomic particles, means they atoms is the smallest unit of any of the compound or a substance, and that atom is the main building block of that substance. Everything is made up of atoms. So atom is there. Now what is atom composed of? Atom is composed of protons, electrons and neutrons. So what is proton? From proton you have to you have to learn that proton means positive charge. So now what is proton? Proton are the positive charge heavy particles that are found in the nucleus of the atom. So nucleus is present in the center of the atom. So protons are the positive particles. These are heavy particles that are present inside the nucleus. Now